Okay, good evening everyone. Today we are going to see direction sense test. Okay, so this is also a very important topic. So before starting the class, we do have some announcement here. Yeah, this is the another course which are going to start on August. Okay, so if any of your friends require now, you may suggest. Okay, um, I may take this course. I may. Okay, I may not. One more faculty member from West Bengal, she may take the course also. Okay, if 40 plus enrollment is there na, I will take, or else she will take this course. Okay, you may suggest. Okay, so let us start with today's topic. Okay, so direction sense test. So today we are going to see the introduction part. So here this is the thing you need to remember. Okay, this is the basic thing only. Okay, so you need to remember these things. Okay, we will go through this as very fastly, since you people know very well that so this is the north, so this is the north, then this is the east, then this is the west, and this is the south. Always remember, sun rises in the east, sun set in the west. Okay, so this thing you need to remember. After knowing this concept, okay, this you people know, right? This is the main directions. Okay, so you can call this as a main direction. Okay, then we are moving with that continuation, that the cardinal direction. So this is also very important. Okay, so here this is north, this is east, then this is going to be the northeast. Okay, so this is going to be the north, so this is south, therefore this is going to be the southeast. Then this is going to be the southwest, this is going to be the west, then this is going to be the northwest. So now, so this is also very important. Geography mapping also important. You people need to understand the geography mapping also. Please at least weekly tries go through that mapping. So nowadays you are getting a map questions also in your GS paper. So therefore you need to focus in the mapping also. Now just tell me which of the state are present in the southwest. Which of the state offers, that is offers means India, present in the southwest? Southwest. I'm asking
Karnataka. Kerala.
Kerala, then
Karnataka.
Karnataka also, right?
Telangana, Andhra Pradesh.
Huh? Southwest?
Also southeast, I thought.
No. I am asking about the southwest. So people gave answer. My voice is too low. Is it so?
Sir, now it's okay, sir.
Now it's okay. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm all right now. Okay. Previously I was not well. Today I'm better than before. Now listen carefully. So here my next question is, which of the state present in the southeast?
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, Andhra Pradesh.
Odisha.
Tamil Nadu.
No. Odisha is not in the south east. Is it so?
When we say like, is it completely east?
No. My question is, Odisha is in the southeast. Is it southeast? Somebody has answered as Odisha as a southeast. People. So which state present in the south?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Exactly, Tamil Nadu. Okay. So Odisha comes in the east or southeast?
Southeast. East.
East. West Bengal comes in the
East.
East.
Yes. Delhi comes in the
North.
North.
then Rajasthan,
Northwest.
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 Gujarat,
West.
West.
West. Very good. Then so northeast. You people know, right, that 5 states related to that northeast. Okay. So please be.
7 sisters.
No. I am just asking. Okay. 7 totally.
7
Yes,
sisters.
sir.
Okay. Good. So please
So
remember
one
those.
brother also second.
Yes, okay. Your people are remembering. Okay, in that way. So now, also we are going to see trigonometry also here, but not now. Okay, trigonometry. So I think no institution will take trigonometry as a separately, but in this foundation course we will take trigonometry also as a separate topic. Okay, so that is the we are not going to teach the 11th standard or 12th standard mathematics, but we are going to see the basic concept with respect to the trigonometry also. Those things are all very important, angle, etc. So now next one. So this is also important. Okay, so here for right direction movement, so right direction movement is nothing but the clockwise. So whatever the position you are assuming, I am assuming this position as a 0 degree, then this much of coverage is going to be the 45 degree, then this much of coverage is going to be the another 45 degree, then total is nothing but the 90 degree. Okay, it's okay, John C. So now again one more is going to be the 45, then totally it is going to be the 35. So every 45 degree you need to add. Okay, then after reaching the 360 degree, 360 degree is nothing but the one complete rotation. Okay, this is with respect to the clockwise, then this is with respect to the anti-clockwise. Okay, this is the basic thing. This is enough with respect to the direction sense. Trigonometry I will teach you the separately. Okay, now next thing what you need to understand here is, people clear, right, whatever we have discussed so far?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
This is also important. Yes, direction before taking the turn, which means that the main directions. Okay, the direction in which the person or vehicle which will be moving after taking the turn. Suppose uh, listen carefully how to read this one. Okay, so I am going in the north, I am taking the right. Okay, then I'm moving into the east direction. If I'm taking this direction, left direction, then I'm going with respect to the west. Understood? Your right hand is going to be the east, left hand is going to be the west. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So suppose if I am going in this direction, south direction, so this is with respect to the north direction, this is with respect to the south direction. Suppose if I am going suppose if I am going in this direction, then my right hand is going to be the, then left hand is
West.
going to be the, so please be careful here. So now my right hand is going to be the west, then my left hand is going to be the east. Okay, so this is with respect to first, then this case with respect to second, now this case. So fourth, third case. Okay, I'm going towards the, I'm starting here, I'm moving in this direction initially, then my right is going to be the south, my left is going to be the north. Okay, this is going to be this one. So now finally with respect to this one, suppose from the west I'm moving towards the west. Suppose if I'm taking the left on, then I'm going towards the south. If I'm taking the right, then I'm going towards the north. So this thing you need to understand, basic thing. Understood?
Sir.
Fine, no doubt, right, so far? No. Then one more thing you need to understand. Okay, uh, one concept is there. Okay, shadow concept. Shadow concept we will do in the next class. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to know the difference. Okay, you need to know the difference between the direction and the displacement. So that is very important. So what do you mean by direction and what do you mean by displacement? Simple. Okay, so here a direction is nothing but the measurement of the position. Simple. So this is nothing but the measurement of the position of Simple. Measurement of position of two people or two object, whatever be the position, their position. Okay, if they are facing, okay, in this direction or this direction or this direction. Okay, a direction is nothing but the measurement of the position of one object. So this is object number one, this is object number two. Okay, one object with respect to the another object. Okay, then what do you mean by displacement? Okay, a displacement is nothing but the measurement. Okay, this is also a measurement, but measurement of the distance between the initial and the final point. So that is nothing but the displacement. Okay, then one more concept you need to understand. Okay, the main concept is you people learned this thing in your school days. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, you people know, right? In south or in Tamil Nadu we call that as a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, few people will call that as the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so whatever. Okay, I'm just considering this as a Pythagoras theorem or else Pythagoras theorem. You people whatever, take that. So this theorem is very important. Okay, listen carefully. This is the purely a trigonometry concept, but anyhow this will help you here. So I will give you the basic idea. See, then this is 90 degree, right? Opposite of 90 degree is going to be the hypotenuse. Then whatever be the angle, if you take here in this angle or in this angle, suppose if I am taking theta here, opposite of that angle is going to be the opposite side. So the other side is going to be the adjacent side. Okay, so what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? Anybody? Any one of you?
Sir, you are
Hypotenuse square
Hmm.
equal to adjacent square plus opposite square.
Okay, you are forming the equation based. Okay, fine. Any? Okay, not an issue. I will tell you. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that is the exactly Pythagoras theorem. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so this is the Pythagoras theorem. With this, yes, this theorem is important to finding out the direction between any two. Okay, that initial and the final displacement. So therefore, with this introduction part, we can move with the problems. If anybody having a doubt with respect to the introduction part, you may arise, or else we will move on with the problem.
Sir, one slide 5. Just
Mm-hmm.
1 second. Slide 5, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Then shall we move on to the problems?
yes, sir.
Fine. Please keep paper and pen and proceed. It's a very simple question. Whatever learned, that only you are going to apply here. If you people ready with the answer means you may.
So D.
Pratish giving D. Grishma giving 12. I'm expecting answer from everyone. People keep paper and pen, please. Proceed. That is important.
Option D, sir.
Mm-hmm. D.
Option D, sir.
Option D. Ismail giving option D. Comment also there. Please, you may use that comment for your answers. Okay. From a point. Okay, Pratish giving D. Yes. From a point. See, whatever be the point, just assume that as a point. Okay. This is the starting one. A Shahil start walking in the east direction. After walking 15 meter, he takes the right turn. If the person is walking in this direction, this is going to be his right. Just now we have seen. Okay. He takes right turn, then he walks for 12 meter. Okay, walks for 12 meter before turning to its right again. So again, if a person is walking in this direction, the right is going to be this one. Okay. Then he walks for 5 meter. And again turns in the same direction as before. Before means what? Right direction. So if a person is walking in this direction, this is going to be his right. Then he now walks for 20 meter before stopping. Okay, I'm just moving here 20 meter. So therefore this is going to be the 20 meter. Now, how far is this point? Okay. How far this point from the Shahil were started? The Shahil was started here. So this is only they are asking. This only they are asking. So now I am just taking this starting point. This is the ending point. Listen carefully. This is the ending. This is the starting. They are asking you to find out this one. Which? Okay. Now, how far distance you need to identify. The simple thing. So this is the 90 degree. Okay. Opposite of 90 degree is going to be the hypotenuse. You need to identify the hypotenuse. Then find out this. So here total distance is 15. So this is 5. Then obviously this is going to be the 10. Then if it is 20, then here this part is going to be the 12. Then obviously the remaining is 20 minus. So this up to this 12. Then this is going to be the 20 minus 12. Therefore 8. Here we need to identify the hypotenuse. Therefore hypotenuse square is equal to 10 square plus 8 square. Now here with this itself we can identify. So hypotenuse is equal to root of 10 square. Okay. 10 square is nothing but 100. Then here 64, right? So root of 164. So this is nothing but 4 into 41. Root of 4 is nothing but 2. Therefore 2 root of 41. Everything in the meter. Therefore the answer is 2 root 41. The answer is D. Anybody having a doubt?
No, sir.
No. Fine.
No, sir.
Fine. Next topic. Okay, we are moving with the next question. Okay. No. Okay. So read this question carefully and try to answer. Done na? Or need 1 or 2 minute time?
Sir, 1 minute.
Fine, fine.
Done, sir.
Done na? Okay. What is the answer, Pratish?
Sir, I think E, sir, cannot be determined. I'm getting.
Let us wait
Yes,
for.
I'm getting 17.
Let us wait. Let us wait. Anybody having answer? Pravinder saying E. What happened? Vamsi saying 2-4 or 2-4. 24. People try to give the answer. Grishma giving E. What happened to Ankita, Anu, Aparna, Asha, Brendelosa, Sharu, then Dinesh, Ilavarasi, Esther, Ashina, Jansi, Kirtana, Kirti, Ismail, Pavinda, Pratyush, Priyadarshini, Priyanka, Rajashekar, okay, Rajeshwari, Satish also. Shiny, give good answer now. What happened? Sambat, Shruti, Lashmi, Vamsi.
Sir, I gave E.
Oh, you gave a fine. So, if people not getting the answer, few are giving the answer. Fine. Shall I?
Sir, I'm getting C.
Who is getting C? Please say your name. Say.
Aparna, sir.
Aparna. Yes,
Yes,
Aparna.
sir.
Yes, we will check Aparna. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But I don't know why people are giving E. But anyhow, we will check. Okay. Then only people can understand. Okay. So here, listen carefully. Abhi and Asha start cycle race from point. Okay. A. So this is the point A. So here, who is the first person? Abhi. Who is the second person? Asha. Listen. They both started in the east direction. Okay. Both started in the east direction. After cycling 7 meter. So this is 7 meter. Abhi continues straight. So suppose in this position, this is the 7 meter. After this, what happened is Abhi is going straight. Okay. Then what happened to the Asha is going towards the left, right. So left means her left is this one. Okay. So if a person is walking in this direction, this is going to be his left, this is going to be the right. So this is the left. Okay. So here this is Asha. Then this is going to be the Abhi. People clear as of now? Red one is going to be the Abhi. Understood? So far.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, after this, what happened? They both cycle for 6 meter before turning right and left direction. So Abhi is taking the right direction. Asha is taking the left direction. Okay. So here, this is 6. Then, so here, this is going to be the 6. Sorry, this is going to be the 6. Right. Then after this, so far understood? Then after this, move on to the statements. Next, Asha cycles 8 meter. Asha cycles for 8 meter. So therefore Asha is cycling in this direction, then 8 meter. Then takes a right turn. So in this direction. Right on. Now she cycles 5 meter before turning the right. So now, so it is clearly mentioned turning the right again. Okay. So turning the right again. Simple. I am just stopping here. I don't know the distance. Now I am moving with the Abhi. So here Abhi cycles for 4 meter. So Abhi cycles for 4 meter and takes a left turn. Left turn means this side. This, if a person is walking in this direction, then left turn is this one. Okay. So then he cycles 6 meter. So this is going to be the 6 meter before turning the left, which means that this person is turning this side. Okay. So now listen carefully. If both stops at the same point, so that is the thing, at these points. If both stop at these points, okay, turning right and stopping, okay, at this point, how much respective distance they have to travel to meet each other? Then Abhi has to travel this much of distance. Then Asha need to travel this much of distance to meet again. Understood, everyone so far? Fine. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes, sir.
this is 8, right? This is going to be the 8. This is going to be the 6. Again this is going to be the 6. So Asha takes 20 meter. Asha needs 20 meter. With this easily you can find option C. People, please keep paper and pen. Don't watch like a movie. That is my suggestion. Okay. The answer is 20 meter. That is going to be the C. Without finding the Abhi, Asha is the second person, right? 20 is there. Where? Which option? A no. B no. C no. Sorry, C is there. D no. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
actually
sir.
the last turn
Hmm.
by Asha, I have made that wrong.
Hmm.
That is why I was getting 20, but for Abhi I was only getting like
For
this.
Abhi,
Yeah, for
year
Abhi I was
6,
getting less. I was getting 4 plus 1,
year
6
6,
only.
year 5,
First
isn't
one
it?
4. 4 plus
Oh,
6
first
plus
one 4,
5. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
first one 4, then
Yes, sir. Sir, the last turn which she took right, no. So I made that left
okay,
basically.
okay,
So that is why I was ending up uh, near the point A. So because
okay,
of that, Abhi's distance was lesser. That is why I said cannot be determined because
fine, fine. But
of
many
not
of
knowing
you
that.
people gave the random answers. I think so. I don't know. Please, I'm expecting good answers. Uh, yes. Many gave he. I don't know why many of you people gave he. No. Please, do it. My request is do it sincerely. That is my request. Now, shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Fine. It's a kind of a practice only. Okay, straight away you people can go and attend any competitive exams if you have some basic knowledge. That is very, I can say very strongly. Each year we are getting the directions and test question in UPSC.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Whatever the topic so far we are discussing, everything are important. So far we have completed problem on ages and blood relation. Every year we are getting a question recently. This topic every year. Sometimes two questions also there with respect to this topic. You know, I think two questions are there na this time also. Analyzing the previous question paper is very important. First of all, you need to know about the syllabus. Then you need to collect the sources, whatever. I am talking about the general studies. You need to collect the sources. You need to start your scheduling. After collecting the sources, then you need to start your preparation sincerely. That is very important. Spending a quality time of 12 hours to 14 hours per day for your studies is much important. I am never mentioning about 14 to 15 years, but 15 hours. I know many people are writing started writing the mains practice, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who are appearing for 2023, please start writing your mains practice. Okay, at least subscribe one of the mains any institutions mains test series, and check with their schedule and try to cover the portions sincerely. That is important. Then optional is very important. Please give much importance to your optional paper. Okay, whatever be the optional, whether it's a political science or sociology or law, whatever be the medical, whatever be the, try to complete your optional subject before December along with the general studies. Then only you can able to cover the current affairs. Also try to read I think many of you reading na daily in the newspaper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the daily reading of Indian newspaper article is very important. Editorial reading is very important, not only with respect to your GS, also with respect to your comprehension part. So please, those who are not subscribed your daily Hindu newspaper English, or else if you couldn't able to get that Hindu, please try to get the Indian Express. South people, surely you will get a Hindu. Okay, and also monthly one magazine. People try to cover any one of the institution magazine. Don't go with the multiple sources. Stay with the limited sources. Okay, the sources should be limited, then your revision should be maximum. That is the success. Okay, fine. Okay, what's the answer? E. Ashna giving E, Aparna giving E, Mohammed Ismail giving E, Kirtana giving E, Dinesh giving E. Oh, fine. E. Charlata Vamsi giving E, Pratyush giving E, Anu giving E, Kirti also giving E. 2 root 17 getting a fine. 2 root 17 fine. Anybody wants me to solve this problem? If so, I will solve, or else I will move on to the next question according to you people choice. What shall I do? Shall I move on to the next one?
No, sir. Kindly solve, sir.
Okay, you want me to solve? Fine. Okay, I will solve. So now, read the question. From your point A. From your point A. So I'm just taking this as A. Okay. Swati started walking in the south direction. Here, this direction.
Yes, sir.
Fine. South direction. She walked 4 meters. Then took a right turn. So this is her right. Then she walked 5 meters. She walked 5 meters and turned left. So this is left or left. Then walked 3 meters. Then turned towards our right and walked 4 meters. Then turn to our right. So this is our right. Next, she walked 15 meter. Okay, so 15 meters she has walked. Obviously, it's going to be more than starting point. Since here it's 4, it's 3, therefore 7. So therefore it's crossing the top. Therefore this is 15. So after this, turn to our right. So this is right. Okay. Stopped at a point B after walking 7 meter. So obviously, which is going to be the 7. Okay. So here 4, then here 5, totally 9. So this is going to be the 9. Listen. This is going to be the 9. Understood, people? So this is 4, this is 5, totally 9. So therefore she is stopping before this one. Understood? This is going to be the 7. So total is 9. So this is left out. This is going to be the 2, but that we don't want. The thing is, what they are asking you to find out is find the distance between A and B. So this is B, this is A. So this distance they are asking. Okay. So AB. How could you solve that? AB.
Sir, the 2 we need, sir. That straight line 2.
Very good.
Then this side straight line.
Yes, very good. Listen, that is what I mentioned here. Dot. Okay, this is 2. Then this is 2. We can form a Pythagoras theorem, right? So here, so total distance is 15. Total distance is 15. So here this is 3. Then this is 4. So 7. 15 minus 7 is going to be the 8. Understood, everyone? So opposite of this one. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to square root of 2 square plus 8 square. So then I'm taking here 2 table is common. I'm taking 2 table. So therefore 2 square. So therefore 1 plus 2 table common means what? 4. 4 square is nothing but 16. So obviously square root of square is nothing but square and square root gets cancelled. Then 2 here root of 17. 2 root 17 meter is the answer. But no option contains 2 root 17. Therefore answer is E. Those who are not having any doubts, then we move on to the next question. Those who have asked me to solve, you have understood? Have you understood? Fine. Somebody has mentioned. Okay, now next question. No understanding today.
Sir,
Fine. Esther, Esther புரியுதா? எஸ்தர் தனம் புரியுதா?
yes, sir.
சரி, okay. இளவரசி புரியுதா?
Sir.
Fine. Purida means see, understood. Have you understood? This means that Purida. Okay. Understood means purinjichi. It's in the Tamil. Okay. Benrilosa, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
I know only one word. समझ में आया. that word just start by Vipin. Okay, my previous year student Vipin. Okay, he has started teaching me Hindi. Just one word only I learned from him.
Okay, sir.
While I am taking a class, he was talking something. He said something. Then I have told that I don't know Hindi. Then he said, "Sir, samajh mein aaya," means it's like asking, "Have you understood?" Like that. That word only I know.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir. Start learning it. You'll feel more comfortable with the Hindi speaking students.
Ashina will teach me Bengali.
Yes, sir. Gutte perecho.
Fine. Shiny. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine, fine. Shruti, what we call in Malayalam? Understood means Grishma. You say Grishma. Grishma Dara. She know Tamil.
हाँ सर മനസ്സിലായോ
Manislayo. Manislayo. Yes, correct. Good. So fine. What is the answer? People learn with answers.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Northwest.
Northwest. Yes, correct. Northwest.
Not
Option D is the right. Don't take in the wrong way that while doing problem I am interacting. Okay, I will tell you after this problem. I will tell you why I am interacting with you people. Okay. So from point P, point P is 10 meter west of the point Q. So this is the Q. Then west of Q is nothing but this one. Then this is going to be the P. This is going to be the P. Okay. Then after this, okay, 10 meter. So west. This is the west. Point R is 4 meter north of V. So this is north of P.
Yeah.
Sorry, north of P. So this is going to be the R, 4 meter. Then point P is 3 meter east of point S. I don't know where is S. So first of all, find the point of S. The point S is 5 meter south of Q. So this is Q, 5 meter here. So this is S. Now you move on to the previous statement. T is 3 meter east of S. So here S, this is east. So here T, then 3 meter. Now they're asking you the question, what is the direction of R with respect to point T? So here this is T, just draw like this, simple. Then move. So this is north, then this is going to be the northwest. Understood? Answer. People understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Shall I move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Once again, sir.
Who is that person asking once again?
Sir, I'm
Please.
new, sir.
Who is that person? Just tell me the name. See, I'm not going to scold you.
Priyadashini, sir.
Priyadashini, yeah, fine. See, I just want to know. Since I'm presenting you the screen, I couldn't able to see the window.
Okay,
That is what I'm mentioning. I am asking your name. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. So Priyadashini, it's a simple only Priyadashini. So please listen. Okay.
Yes.
So while attending the classes, people focus the screen. Okay. So now
Yes.
this is Q. Then so listen. This point is it's look like a confusing. No, read it again. Point P is 10 meter west of point Q. So this is point Q. So if it is point Q, assume yourself. So this is going to be your north. This is going to be your east. Then this is going to be your west. Then this is going to be your south. Priyadashini, understood? Now,
Yes, sir. எனக்கு
so
அது ஓகே சார். கடைசியில அந்த நார்த் வெஸ்ட் அந்த ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்கல்ல அது மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
இது மட்டும் வேணுமா? சரி,
ஆமா
okay. Now
சார்.
listen carefully. Okay. So here this is T in this position.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If they are asking you to find out the direction from with respect to with some point, then from this point you just make 1 plus. Simple. So this is going to be the north. This is going to be the east. Same logic only. West and south. Then mark towards the person you need to identify. Here is the person R. So here R is in this direction. We have during the introduction part itself, I have mentioned this is nothing but the northwest. Priyadashini, understood?
Okay, sir. I got, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no need to worry. If you are having any doubt, you may ask. Okay, I will clarify. Okay, I never
Okay,
ever
sir.
scold. Okay, don't worry.
Thank you so much, sir.
Everybody is a matured people. Everybody is going to be the civil servant. Scolding and all, we should not treat anybody as even we should not scold school students also. Okay, but if your teacher scolds you now, you have to take it in the right way. Why the teacher is scolding you? Why the teacher is saying something? That is very important. Always a good teacher will scold you. Always a good teacher will care you, will shout you, then show you a good path. So everything, a good teacher will do everything. Okay, so that is what I want to convey. Next thing, so people listen now, whatever I am communicating with you people, and then solve the problem also. If it's like disturbing, then I will quit.
Sir, is it C?
Which one? This found
Yes, sir. Question 5.
Oh, you found so soon. Doing my master studies, okay, during my master studies, one of my professor used to always say that um, so she's the head of the department, okay, uh, head of the department, she's training with the whatever the other colleges, okay, so it's she's related to the central government, okay, central government professor, okay. She during our classes, um, she will take us also to attend that classes. We will also go and attend that class. That time she used to say that she without keeping any paper and pen, she takes a class for 4 hours, you know, without keeping any paper and pen. And also that class is going to be the very interesting. See, who are the people sitting in front of her? It's already a professors, already assistant professors, associate professors and professor. She is teaching to them, but the way she narrates, way she took the class for 4 hours without any boring session, so that is important. Mm. She always says that in your classes there are a lot of students out there. Few people will disturb your classes, few people will need your attention, few people will sleep without disturbing anything. So like that she used to say. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, this and all, it's a simple psychology, or it's a teaching psychology or whatever we people take. So now, fine. So answer is Rajshekhar.
Sir, south or
Wait. Vamsi gave answer as east, right?
Yes, sir.
Now read the question again and try to do.
Sir, I'm getting D.
Pratyush getting south, right?
I am also getting
Yes,
this.
sir.
Who is getting south?
Sina.
Ashina also getting south. Fine. Okay. Hanya started from a point in some direction. After walking for some time, she turned to her right and continued walking. Now walking for some distance, she turned to her left, and after this finally to her right. If now she is walking in the west direction, in which direction did she started her journey? So what is the best method to solve this kind of questions? Go to the reverse statement. So that is the best method to solve this kind of question. Actually, in which direction she is now? In which direction she is going on? West direction.
West. West.
Yes.
West.
So she is going in this direction. Now go back. Before that she turned to her right. Understood? If now she is walking in that direction, in which direction she has started? That is the question now. So now move on to the previous statement. Before that she turned to her right. So which means that she must be traveling in the south before turning right. Understood or not? No ma. No,
Correct,
not
sir.
understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Not understood.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Not understood. Shall I repeat
No,
again?
sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So now she is walking in west. Before she turned to her right. Before she turned to her right. This is right. She is walking in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Before turning to the right. See, if she turns right, then only she is moving in this direction. Understood? Yes or no? If she is
Yes, sir.
coming in this direction, if she take right, then only it leads to the west. Yes or no? Which means that she, before turning the right, she is towards the south. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Listen. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then, now, she was walking in the south direction. Listen carefully. She was not walking in the south direction before taking the right. Now listen carefully. She was walking in the south. So before that, she turned to her left. Turn to her left. So Hanya must be traveling in the west direction before turning the left. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Left.
Understood, people? Shall I repeat again? This question needs a lot of
No,
understanding.
sir.
Okay, let me repeat it again. Listen carefully. So now listen. She is walking in the south. Before that, what she has done, that you need to understand. She turned towards her left. Which is her left? If it is her, see, if she is walking in this direction, this is only going to be the left. Understood? Yes or no? Before turning the left, she is walking in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If she is taking left, then only she is leading towards the south. Therefore, before that, she is coming in this direction. So we have found this one. Then, now again. So now, she was walking in the west. Okay. Before turn to her right. Okay. Her right. Which is going to be her right. This if she is walking in this direction, then only this is going to be her right. Yes or no? So now, if now she is walking, okay, Hanya started from a point in some direction. After walking to the some time, she turned to her right. Listen carefully. She walking, now read it carefully. After walking for some time, she turned to her right. This one. Now, and continued walking. Now walking some distance, she turned left. Understood? Now read it. Complete the question. Turn left, and after finally towards her right. Now she is walking towards the west direction. In which direction did she started her journey? So suppose this is the Anya. Okay, she is walking in this direction. Which direction? From a starting point. South. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing. From this point only she has started walking. So in this direction. Therefore this is going to be the or south. Okay, that only they are asking. Mamsi, understood? Mamsi, I was explaining this thing for you. Fine. I'm moving to the next question. Shall I move on to
Sir,
next question? Yes, Pratish.
Wait, sorry.
uh, so how I did basically that I took the first option, let's say north. I assumed that okay, she moved uh, the first in the north direction, and
Okay.
I draw the picture all this,
Okay.
and at the last,
Hmm.
because she is in the west direction,
Hmm.
according to the question, I have rotated my picture
Okay.
clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then it will come to that okay exactly where she
Yes.
started.
Yes. Yes. That is also right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is also right.
So
I'm
got it, sir.
Whatever Pratisha has explained, that is also right.
yes.
Okay. Rashikar, what in which method you
Yes,
have
sir.
done,
Yes, sir.
Rashikar?
I did it as you explained, sir,
Yes.
by
Yes.
reverse
Yes.
order.
Yes. Yes.
But
Oh,
this one also can be done.
you have done by using the reverse way.
Yeah, sir.
This method. Whatever explained, I have explained. You
Yeah,
have
sir.
done very good. Very good. See, this is the thing. Yes, rotation concept is very good. Okay, but this is also the back reading is also very important. So this kind of question. So nothing as direction as mentioned. Okay, no distance as mentioned. So they're asking you to find out the initial position like that. So go back with that reverse thing. That is also one way to solve this kind of questions. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, got it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Thank you.
People ready with answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's your answer?
So I'm getting D.
D.
These are northwest.
I am getting B.
Who is getting B?
Ismail, sir.
Sir, I am also getting B.
Girishma getting B. Charlata getting B. Parvinder getting B. Pariyanka getting B. Priyadashni also getting B. Dinesh getting B. Fine. Good. Good. Good to everyone. So now listen carefully. Sheetal. Sheetal started from a point in the south direction. So this is the starting point. SP means starting point. From the south direction. After walking for 5 kilometers, she took a right turn. This is a right. Okay. If you're walking in this direction, this is going to be your right. Then, now she walked for another 5 meter or kilometer? Kilometer. Then took your left turn. Then after walking 2 kilometers, she took a right turn. Then after covering 2 kilometers, she, listen carefully. This is our point now. Towards this one. Towards this one. She turned 45 degrees in clockwise direction. So this is clockwise, right?
Yes, sir.
Which direction? So here, in this direction, yes, isn't it? 45 degrees, right? Yes or no? This is 45 degrees. Am I right?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, when she stopped there, she is facing west, and if she is facing west, from there she will turn 45 degree
Fine, not an
clockwise.
issue.
Her
This
clockwise.
is, see, if you are mentioning this one,
Clockwise, sir.
so this is our western now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And from
So
there.
here, listen. If you are, yes, Pratish, if you are mentioning this one,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
fine. Even if she is making in this direction also, 45 degrees also, then this is also a 45 degree, Pratish.
I didn't understand
No, sir.
what I believe that.
How
Wait.
that will be 45?
Fine. This is one way. So who are done in another way? Please convey. Anybody done using any another way? Nova. Many gave answer as B.
Sir, I also got B only,
Hmm.
southeast. But sir,
Hmm.
can we take the 45-degree clockwise direction like upwards?
Yeah. Okay.
In that way also it's southeast only.
Yeah, that is what I mentioned here. I have
Yes,
mentioned
sir.
here. That only. See, she's walking in this direction. 45 degree இப்படியா? So sorry, 45 degree like this.
So yes, sir.
45 degree.
Sir, if she is
45 degree this direction. 45 degree means.
Yes, sir.
Understood, people?
Sir, if she is facing west direction, that will be at point of time that will be her 0 degree, no sir.
Okay.
yes, sir, and then
0 degree.
from
Then
Yes.
if she turns 45 degree means north
west,
west.
it should be northwest. If she
Yes,
turns
sir.
90 degree
That should be
clockwise,
north.
that would be that she is turning completely to her right. That would make 90 degree from the point where she is standing, but she is not turning 90 degrees. She is just turning 45 degree towards her right, because that is the clockwise direction according to her. So that should be, now she will be facing northwest, not southeast.
Wait. So listen. So this is the our position according to this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
According to this one, this is our position. Okay. So here what she is doing now. So this is the 0 degree. Yes, this is the 0
Yes, sir.
degree now. Okay. Now
Which direction she will be facing west, no sir? That straight line will be 0 degree.
yes, this is 0 degree. Okay. Now from this she's taking the clockwise or anti-clockwise mentioned here?
Clockwise, sir.
Clockwise 45 degrees, sir.
Fine. If it is anti-clockwise, then it is going to be the
Yes, sir. There.
So the answer should be D,
Downward.
sir.
no. My question is two things you people have to consider. One is anti-clockwise, then clockwise. Here the question is dealing with
So,
the clockwise. Okay.
so even though if it would be anti-clockwise 45
So the
degrees,
45 degree, yeah.
Southwest.
it would be
This is
southwest,
40,
not
45
southeast.
degree, yeah.
Yes, sir. 45 degrees.
Sir.
Then answer is going to be the northwest.
Yes, sir. Even
Yes,
though if it will be anti-clock, then also, sir, answer would be
If
southwest,
it is
not southeast.
no. Listen. Now listen. If it is 45 degree, simple. This only.
Yeah, so that would
Then
be
this
south.
is going to be the southwest.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
this is going to be the northwest. So the question is dealing with the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means northwest. No option, huh? Answer
Is there,
D
sir?
is the
D,
right.
D, sir.
Yes,
D.
answer
D,
D
sir.
is the right for this question. Southeast. Who gave southeast? Many gave southeast. Fine. So now listen. People understood difference.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now while doing trigonometry, I will explain about the angles. Okay, this is 0, then this is 45, then this is 90, this is 135, like this. You need to understand here. This is 180 degree. So it is mentioned as only 45 degree, right? Then answer is north west. Then the answer is northwest. 45 degree
Okay, sir.
clockwise means answer is northwest.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. So those who got northwest, you are right. Any other clarifications required with respect to this question? No means we will move on to the next question.
No, sir.
We'll move on with respect to next question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. So next question also two questions are there. Okay, from this angle, clockwise means in this direction. This is going to be the northwest. Okay, fine. Seven, eight. People, eighth question is somewhat advanced. It's not advanced. Some mensuration concept is also there. Let me take this 7 and 8 as your last question of this day. Then I will give you, listen carefully, I will give you this 9th and 10th similar question with respect to 7 and 8 as your practice question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So just give like 2-3 minutes to try.
Fine. Yes, it will take some time. That is why ending this question as the last question of this day. Tomorrow we will continue the direction sense test itself. Okay. Still we do have to cover some more questions. Okay. You people got practice questions with respect to problem on ages practice question they have provided
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. No.
So they went weekend. They went to native. Fine. Tomorrow I will give you 25 questions. Okay. With respect to problem on ages. If you people completed question number 7, give the answer. Then we will discuss question number 8. Seventh question itself need some understanding. Those who gave B as an answer for the previous question, please change it. Dinesh also gave B. D.
Can I give the answer?
Yes.
Option A, 5 to 13 meter.
Let me wait. √13.
Oh.
Pratish giving A. Pratish giving A. Then A. A is right. I was waiting for few people. Fine. A is right. So let us complete the seventh. Okay. From point P is 5 meters south of point A. This is A. South of A, P is there. Then 5 meter. Then point T is 8 meter east of Q. I don't know. Let us complete the move on to the question. Point Z is 4 meter. So you need to check with the P. Okay, check whether P is there. Yes. Point P is 6 meter west of point B. Yes. So this is B. West na this one point. So therefore this is 6 meter. Okay, if the statement not fit na, then you have to move on with the next statement. Okay, then now from B, anything there from B? Okay, now point T is 8 meter east of Q. Point Z is 4 meter.
Sir, Q is there, sir. Q is 4
Yes,
meters south of B.
very good.
Last statement.
Yes. Point Q is okay. Point Q is 4 meters south of B. This is the south of B. Yes, very good. Then from Q, or else anything else there. T is there. Point T is 8 meter east of Q. So this is Q, this is east, then T, then 8 meter. Then what else there? V. V is 6 meter south of T. So this is V, 6 meter. Then from V, any person there, Z will be there. Z is 4 meter to the west of V. This is west of V. This is Z, 4 meter. Now the question is find distance between A and Z. Find the distance between A and Z. How could you calculate? First of all, find out this distance. What is this distance? Horizontal distance. 4, 6, 10, then 5,
10,
15.
sir. 15.
15.
10, sir.
15. How it is 10? Vertical distance.
No, I'm telling the dotted line distance is 10.
No. This vertical distance is 15, right?
Yeah, total is 15.
So 5 plus 4 plus 6. So this is equal to 15. I'm inserting this one, this one, this one. That is the vertical distance. Now check with the horizontal distance. So this is equal to what?
6,
So here
8.
6, then 8 minus 4. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 8. Then subtract. Therefore 8 minus 4, this is going to be the 4, another 4. Understood? Yes or no? So this is 10.
Yes, sir.
Now use the Pythagoras theorem. Simple. Now use the Pythagoras theorem. So your AZ is equal to root of 10 square plus 15 square. 5 table is common. I'm taking 5 table is common. 5 table common. Whatever you take common, that also squared. Remaining 5 table common are 2 square plus here 3 square. So that is the answer. So 5 simple. With this itself, see, square and square root get cancelled for this one. Then remaining here. That and all, check with the option. Don't waste the time. 5 is there. Simple. Understood how to solve in a simple manner. This is basic mathematics. Suppose if you don't know this, then what you have to do? 100 plus. Understood? 225 like that. Understood? So this is
Yes,
simple
sir.
mathematics. If you know, if some common multiples there na, you can take that common multiples outside. Whatever you are taking outside, the power should also carry. So therefore here 5 table is common, the power is 2. That also should be carried here. Then the remaining thing is 5 into 2s are right. 10, therefore 2 square. 5 into 3s are right. Simple. With only square and square root getting cancelled, I am getting 5 here. With this itself, I am stopping the problem without solving anything. Anyhow, if you solve also, you will get a same only. So which is equal to 5 root 13 meter. Done. Now move on with the 8th question.
Sir, done.
8th also done.
Yes, sir.
Fine. What is the answer for 8th one?
C.
Huh?
C.
C.
Option C.
Area
Sir,
encircled
but
by. Area encircled by.
sir, but we don't know Q here.
Area
There was no
encircled by
information about Q.
B Q T K H F C. Q is
There was no
there.
info about Qs.
Q is there. Is here na? Ashakar. Q is here. Ashakar, Q is there.
Sir, I'm getting E. No, I'm getting the answer which is not there. So I'm getting E.
Yeah, wait. Anybody? A person start from point P in the north, B in the north direction, walks a 6 meter. So now I'm changing the color. Listen, this person is walking from B. So walk a 6 meter and reaches a point C. Then takes a right and walks for a 5 meter. 5 meter means crossing this one. Understood? Yes or no? This is 5 meter means. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is yes, crossing this one. Fine. 5 meter and reaches some point F. Again, he takes a right turn and walks for a 3 meter. So this is 3 meter. This is totally 6 means I have to stop here off. So this is 3 meter.
Q is not given, sir.
Wait. Q is there. Wait. You have to complete with the previous diagram.
Both are same question only.
See the direction. 7th and 8th both are same, na? Yes or no, Vamsi?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vamsi, direction to the 7th and 8th question.
I
This
didn't see
one,
that
Vamsi.
one, sir. Sorry.
So that is why I mentioned here
Yeah,
directions.
okay.
Okay. So now listen. So here reaches are 3 meter. Then reaches the point H. This point is called as H now. Then now takes the left turn and reaches the point K. Now takes the right turn and reaches the point T. Understood? Yes or no? Complete the diagram. Now
Yes, sir.
find the
Got it.
area enclosed by B, Q, T, K, F,
No, sir.
okay, sorry, K,
HF.
H,
HFC, sir.
F, C. So now listen.
HFC. You should
Shall I take these as a one rectangle? Shall I take these as another rectangle? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So two rectangles are there. So now required area is equal to what? Area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. So I'm taking these as a rectangle 1, these as a rectangle 2. Understood? What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. Here length is what? 4
10
plus, yes, 10. Breadth is
into
nothing but
5.
5.
Yes, sir, 5.
So what is the area between here? Here,
3 into 7.
here,
3
yes,
plus
3.
4
Yes,
into
here 3.
7.
Understood how 3? Total is 8. Here 5. See, total is 8. Here already 5 gone. The remaining is going to be 3 into length is going to be what? This one. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Here 4. So what is the length here in this one?
4, sir, 7, sir. 3 plus 4, 7.
3.
Plus 4. H2B, like parallel to H2, like because
Yes,
B to
yes,
C.
yes. This is
Yes,
up to
sir.
this. This is 4.
Yes.
Then this one is
3.
3. So therefore this distance is 7. Okay. See, understanding the live is very important. Even go through the PDF will not help you. These diagrams and all. Live classes only help you. So therefore 50 plus 21 obviously is going to be the 51. Area means square units. Here the unit is meter, therefore meter square. Simple. People having a doubt means please clarify. No,
No, sir.
fine. No doubt means I'm giving you the same similar kind of question here. Direction is same
Question.
for 9th and 10th question. Listen, this is the direction which is going to be same for question number 9 and question number 10. Fine. So I think you people having no doubt. I'm concluding this session here. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Sir, slide
Those who are,
13 one.
wait.
13.
Wait,
Sir.
Vamsi. Those who are not having a doubt, good night for you. Those who are having a doubt, you may stay on. Okay.